Video number 2. Online advertising, an overview. Types of ads. There is a variety of online ads available for the marketer with the surge in social media platforms. There is a thorough list to help categorize and explain each form of online ads present on the web. Number 1, Google Search Ads. Managed by Google AdWords, these are online ads that appear alongside the search engine result page, when users search a keyword query on Google. These ads are pay-per-click ads, in which advertisers pay for each ad click. Number 2, PPC ads. PPC ads, aka pay-per-click ads, are advertisements in which the cost of advertising is determined by the number of clicks an ad receives. Number 3, Bing ads. Bing ads are similar to Google ads, in that they work on a pay-per-click basis. Advertisers can manage their ads through the Bing Ads service, formerly known as Microsoft Ad Center. Number 4, Facebook ads, marketplace ads. Facebook ads exist in many different forms, each offering unique pros and cons for advertisers looking to market on Facebook. Marketplace ads appear in the side columns of the Facebook website with a headline, copy, and an image. Facebook ads, promoted posts. Promoted posts are Facebook ads that let advertisers pay a flat rate to promote a single post on their Facebook business page. The promoted post reaches more fans and friends of fans than a regular post. Facebook ads, sponsored stories. Sponsored stories show a user's interaction with an advertiser's page or product to the user's friends and larger network. They can also appear in a user's news feed. Facebook ads, Facebook Exchange. They are Facebook ads that implement remarketing. These ads take into account a user's web surfing history data, letting an advertiser show an ad for a product a user was looking at earlier on the advertiser's website. Number 5, Twitter ads. Twitter ads refer to the paid boosts that brands on Twitter can use to extend the reach of their tweets, promote a chosen hashtag, or gain more followers. Number 6, Tumblr ads. Tumblr ads come in a few different formats. Tumblr Radar and Spotlight allow for sponsors aka advertisers, to be featured in areas where Tumblr highlights unique content and accounts. Number 7, Banner ads. Banner ads are image-based advertisements that often appear in the side, top, and bottom sections of websites. They can range widely in terms of size, design, and function. Number 8, Google Display ads. Google Display ads are a form of contextual banner ads used in the Google Display Network, Google's collection of network sites that agree to host display ads. Number 9, Retargeting ads. When a user visits a website, a retargeting campaign cookie is attached to the visitor, taking note of what pages and products the user visits while browsing the site, and later displaying ads that specifically call out what the user was looking at on the advertiser's site earlier. Number 10, Mobile ads. Mobile ads are ads that appear on smartphones, tablets, and any other mobile device. If you advertise on Google AdWords, you can advertise to mobile devices by taking advantage of enhanced campaigns. Number 11, AdMob ads. AdMob itself is Google's mobile advertising platform, enabling app creators to make revenue off of free games by offering ad space, and allowing advertisers to get ad spots in the most popular mobile games and apps. Number 12, Email ads. Email ads are advertisements sent to users via webmail. Email ads can be used to notify subscribers of certain promotions, discounts, or new features, among other uses. Number 13, Video ads. Video ads are broadcasted on web for educational, how-to video content that naturally appeals to users, with some if any product suggestions discreetly integrated. Number 14, YouTube ads. YouTube ads provide a number of targeting options and several different ad formats. They appear as banner ads, in video overlay ads, in-stream video, as well as several other setups. Number 15, Pinterest Ads. When marketing a specific product, marketers create Pinterest advertisements by adding a $sign before the price amount to the description. Important paid advertising concepts you should know. Understanding a few of the key concepts of online advertising is key to creating a strategy that will suit your business. Behavioral targeting. Behavioral targeting is when advertisements are targeted at users based on their past purchase activity. CPC Center. The cost to pay-per-click CPC often decreases the higher an ad center click-through rates is. Day parting. It is a feature that is sometimes available that allows you to specify what time of the day an ad is to be shown. Geotargeting. It allows you to target your advertisements to audiences in a particular country, state, city, or metropolitan area. Match types. Keyword match types control which searches or terms will comment your ad. Quality scores. Quality scores are rating on how well your advertisements align with your marketing message, landing page, offer. Online advertising is an essential element of anyone's marketing mix. It provides you with numerous benefits, including lower costs, robust targeting, and valuable customer insights that are not available through other advertising mediums. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.